Alright guys, I am working on a golf cart today. An electric one that's got a couple of bad battery cables. Now, this one, I marked the length that I wanted it right there. Right. So, cut it there. This is just 6-gauge battery cable that I stocked from the parts store. But just got to strip back the outer layer so we can put our copper ends on. And these are just 5/16 loops, copper lugs. And slide it right down where it bottoms. You don't want a bunch of the copper showing here, but we are going to put heat shrink on it, so it'll be sealed up. Now, I use this Titan hydraulic battery crimping tool. It's on Amazon. It was less than $100. But for as many battery cables as I go repairing on carts, this was far worth it for me. Now it does usually leave these little flaps out the edge where it got crushed, so I like to just roll them around the edge. Smashing them flat so that there's no sharp edge sticking out. Then we're going to take our heat shrink. Open it up, slide it down to that end. This is big enough that I could have slid it on after it was done anyway, but heat up. This heat shrink is just from ATD. It's also an assortment pack that I get from the parts store. Local auto parts store has all of this stuff. But strip back the other end. Make sure we're good lengthwise. We are. Now, this cable is really flexible, so clocking it really wouldn't matter. But in the case that you were using a thicker cable and you couldn't twist it as easily, you'd want to make sure that you have the lugs facing the direction that you need them to mount on the batteries. But okay, again, nice and crimped. Not a big gap between the coating and the bottom of the copper. I am going to, once again, smash that flap sticking out. Just like that. So now they're rolled in. And cut another piece of my heat shrink. Slide it over. Like that. Well, bam, new battery cable. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it helps.